Question number 6. A curve has the equation x square plus 3 times ln y plus 6x equals to the 14. Show that there is no point on the curve at which the curve has y coordinate. First we find the y coordinate of the given curve equation. So we have x square minus 3 times ln y plus 6x equals to 14. So we need to find the value y coordinate. So first we ln y, so x square minus 3, and this one is equals to 14 minus, when we switch 6x on the right side we will have 6x, negative 6x, and then ln y will be equals to 14 minus 6x over x square minus 3. We need to find the y, so to eliminate ln we will use exponents both sides. So y will be equals to the exponential of 14 minus 6x over x square minus. Okay, this is the y coordinate, and it's given that y coordinate, if y coordinate is equals to e to the power of negative 1, e to the power of negative 1, we will not find any x coordinate. There will be no x coordinates, mean there will be no point on the curve. Plug y is equal to e to the power of negative 1 in this equation. So e to the power of negative 1 is equals to e to the power of 14 minus 6x over x square minus 3. Okay, equating the power, we will have 14 minus 6x over x square minus 3 equals to negative 1, and this one is equals to the 14 minus 6x equals to negative x square minus 3, and this one is equals to the 14 minus 6x equals to negative x square minus plus 3. When we switch x square on the right side, we will have quadratic equation which is x square minus 6x plus 14 minus 3, and this one is equal to x minus 6x minus 11 plus 11 equal to 0. Okay, this is the quadratic equation, and we know that if this equation does not have any real value, so its discriminant will be 0. So discriminant d is equals to b square minus 4ac, and in this case b is negative 6, a is 1, and c is 11. So b square means negative 6 square minus 4 times a which is 1 and c which is 11. So when we solve it, d will be equals to the 36 minus 44 which is equals to the negative 8. Okay, discriminant is less than 0, so no real value. So we can say that the given curve will not have real values for y coordinate equals to e to the power of negative 1. Okay, let's move to the part B. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve on at the point 2 comma e to the power of 2. Give your answer in the form of y 0 to mx plus b, where m and c are exact constant. Okay, we know that the given curve is x square minus 3 times ln y plus 6x equals to 40. Okay, to find the equation of the tangent, so we will use slope point form. Okay, and we know that slope point form is y minus y1 is equals to m x minus x1, and we have the point which is x1 and y1 which is given 2 comma e to the power of 2. Okay, and we need to find the value of m which is slope. To find the slope m, we will use the derivative of the curve at the point 2 comma e to the power of 2. Now we need to find the derivative of the given curve. In this case, we will use quotient rule, and we know that quotient rule is duv with respect to x is u derivative of v plus v derivative of u. So let's apply it. In this case, x square plus minus 3 is u, so it will remain same, x square minus 3, and then derivative of v which is derivative of ln y. with respect to x plus now v remain same ln y and derivative of u which is x square minus 3 plus derivative of 6x means derivative of 6 times x and equals to derivative of constant 14 with respect to x. Okay, and we know that x square minus 3 will remain same and derivative of ln y is 1 over y and derivative of y which will be dy over dx plus ln y will remain same and derivative of x square is 2x and derivative of constant negative 3 is 0. Okay, and plus 6 derivative of x is 1 and is equal to derivative of constant is 0. We will have x square minus 3 over y and this one will be dy over dx plus 2x ln y plus 6 equal to 0. Okay, we need to find dy over dx and this one is equal to negative 6. When we switch this term on the right side, we will have negative 6 minus 2x ln y and this will be x square minus 3 over y and dy over dx will be equals to the negative 6 minus 2x ln y time y and over x square minus 3. Okay, this is the derivative and we need to find the slope. So slope at will be equals to dy over dx at point given point which is 2 comma e to the power of 2 and this one is equals to y means e to the power of 2 and the negative 6 minus 2x x is 2 ln y is e to the power of 2 over x square means 2 square minus 3 and this one is equals to e to the power of 2 and negative 6 minus 2 times 2 which is 4 and by using property 2 will be shifted here and ln e over 4 minus 3 and this one ln e is 1 so this one is equal to x, e to the power of 2 and minus 6 minus 8 minus 6 minus 8 and ln e is 1 so over 1 so we will have slope which dy over dx at 2 comma e2 is equals to the negative 14 e square. Now we have the slope, this one is slope and we have the point which is 2 comma e to the power of 2 which is x1 and y1. So we can use slope point form to find the equation of the tangent. So slope point form using slope point form y minus y1 is equals to m times x minus x1. So y minus y1 is e to the power of 2 equals to slope which is negative 14 e to the power of 2 times x minus x1 is 2. Okay, y minus e to the power of 2 is equals to negative 14 x e to the power of 2 minus 28 e to the power of 2 positive, sorry. And y is equals to the negative 14 x e to the power of 2 plus 28 e2 and this one is plus e2. So y is equals to the negative 14 e square x plus 29 e square. So this is the equation of the tangent and m which is equals to negative 14 exponential of 2 and c is equals to 29 exponential of 2.